Hey guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel World List Car. So guys, the 2024 DS4 La Primer, the new DS4 hatchback from the DS Automobiles is now available for a pre-order in the UK. The top model called the La Primer started at just £40,000 and offer a choice of the petrol and plug-in hybrid engine. The car is made to compete with other luxury hatchback like the Audi A3 and the BMW 1 Series, but with a French twist. It replaced the old DS4 but comes with a much sleeker design, including a stylish rear window and the bold front grills. And the La Primer version stand out with a black grills and glossy black accents along with a one badge on the hood, and it has also black trims between the rear light and the lower body, sitting in 19 inches 2-ton alloy wheels. Inside, the La Primer has the Opera interior featuring fancy watch strap, Napa leather seats. The car can be cooled, heated, and even gives massage to customers. And the doors and dashboard are also covered in the leather. It comes with the DS latest touchscreen infotainment system, which has gesture control and the extended head-up display. And there are also LED headlights with a matrix technology, and which can be adjusted the light to avoid blinding others drivers. Plus there are also DS active scan suspension, which checks the road for bumps and adjusts the temper accordingly. Under the hood, you can choose between the PureTech 225 petrol engine and the E-Tense 225 plug-in hybrid, and both have 222 horsepower from the 1.6 liter petrol engine, but the hybrid adds the electric motor and the battery that gives around 30 mpg miles on the electric range. And you can pre-order the La Primer models until the end of July, but it won't arrive in the UK until later this year. After that, the rest of the DS4 range will comes, including petrol version and with a 129 and 178 horsepower and a 128 horsepower diesel engine. And the DS4 will also comes in the different trims like the sporty performance line and the SUV style crossback. Optional extra included a fancy focal electra hi-fi system, which you can also get the La Primer models. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you want more updated news about this model, so please subscribe our World List YouTube channel. Thank you.